Presido Bola Tinubu don send letter go House of Representatives as he request the approval of 1.48 trillion as budget for Rivers State for 2025 financial year. Speaker of the House, Honorable Abbas Tajuddin, na read the letter during plenary session. As dem break down the budget, infrastructure go collect 325 billion naira, health sector go collect 166 billion naira, education go get 75.6 billion naira, and agricultural projects go hold 31.4 billion naira.
The appropriation bill for the year 2025 is in the total sum of 1 trillion 481 billion, wherein the sum of 324 billion is for infrastructure, both ongoing and new projects. The sum of 166 billion is for health sector, including 5 billion for free drugs for treatment of malaria and other common ailments. The sum of 75.6 billion is proposed for education sector, and the sum of 31.4 billion for agriculture projects. The spending plan priorities investment in critical sectors of the state, such as infrastructure, health, including free drugs for malaria and other common ailments, education, and also agriculture, which is projected to generate approximately 6,000 jobs.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.